Alright, so I picked up these Frozen 2 snow globes that have a mysterious character inside. We're gonna find out what it's all about today, see if it's any good. First off, it gives you the list of characters. I see Elsa, Anna, Olaf, Sven, Kristoff, and Nock, I think. So you'll open the lid, pour in water, you'll see the magic, see which character appears, and add glitter to create your own magic. I don't know if it comes with the glitter or if you have to provide your own glitter. It says right here, included. 1 snow globe with the lid, 1 snow powder pouch, 1 glitter pouch, and an instruction sheet. So I guess we'll open this right up and get into it. So there's a glitter pouch and the instructions. This was all underneath, by the way. I guess that has the snow pouch inside it. Here's the instructions. Remove the lid, measure 3 ounces of cold tap water in separate cup. Pour the water into the snow globe. Quickly close the lid and shake for 30 seconds. Hold lid while shaking. Remove lid, pour out snow to reveal character. Wash off residue of all snow. Fill the globe with clean water, remove bag of glitter, and open it up. So, we're going to use a bucket of snow from the last video to pour all the excess snow in. Now, a bottle of water right here that we're going to be using. It says 3 ounces, but I'm just going to fill it up to about right there. Quickly put the lid on it. Shake it for 30 seconds. Now, I'm not going to shake this for exactly 30 seconds. That should be good right there. Open this up and empty the snow into this. Looks like we got Elsa in this one. And I'm going to put the lid on here to make sure I get all of it off the lid. Looks pretty clean to me. Get that out of the way. Now we're going to use the water bottle to fill it up. And pour in the glitter. Maybe if this glitter package will open. So we got the glitter package in that one. Shake it up. And it just makes a little snow globe. Don't know if you guys can really see that. There's the first one. We got Elsa in the first one. So same stuff. I'm assuming same instructions. But We'll open it up, find out. It's the same exact snow globe, so I'm assuming the instructions are going to be the same. But you know what they say about assuming, so we're not going to go there. Yep, same instructions. Don't really know why there's the snow packet inside. I guess just to hide the character, but this one came out a lot smoother. I also put a lot less water in here. I'm just digging this sun out so I can get most of the snow out of this one. So my question is, do they just want you to throw the snow away? Because it doesn't really give you directions for that. Luckily, I did my last video over snow products, so we just have all this extra snow laying around. You can already see this one's Olaf. Oh, looks pretty funny in that one. Just between you guys and me. A little less water in this one than Elsa, but see if that really affects anything. Have a little pack of glitter in here. And there's our 2 snow globes. I'll get a better front view of these. They're not too bad actually. I'll flip them over. The lid holds on pretty well. I don't know if I'd trust these with little kids. So it does say not to give them to children under 3 years old, so yeah, there's Frozen 2 snow globes. I might collect a couple more and see if I get different characters or anything. But there's those. Overall, pretty good. Could have added a little more water to both of them probably, but they look good. I already have the next product I'm gonna review picked out, and it's gonna be the salt-powered robot. So stay tuned for the next video and see what goes on there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay posted for the next video. If you have anything you would like me to review, just comment down below and let me know.